Reported as of yet, just minor injuries. He also says this is a strong community. They are going to bounce back. Still, though, today's all about damage assessment, and many businesses in town are going to be closed because, as you can see behind me here, this is the scene all over Marshalltown. Just debris everywhere. Windows of cars have been blown out. Brick walls have been blown out. And then I want to show you this behind me here. This is a tiny shed that is literally upside down. It is on its roof. Then I want to show you one more thing over this way. You can see the tree debris over here. There are just so many tree branches, tree debris, trees that are down, power lines that are down. Just a very scary time. This whole town literally was just, it looks like destroyed.